Glenn Warner, GorillaMaker.com. We're in front of a GM3D200. We're going to show you how to use our GorillaLube and lube your printer. Now you're asking me, why do you have to do that? Well, maybe you just got out of the box. You want to perform this maintenance. Or maybe you've ran 2 rolls of filament through no more than 3. So every 2 to 3 rolls of filament that you run through the machine, you want to make sure it's well lubricated. That way it will last a very long time for you. First thing you want to do is get your GorillaLube. We keep it in a little plastic bag because inside this little box that we have it in, it could leak, so we don't want it to get all over the place. On the back is all the MSDS information. If you need any further information for your school or your business, it's on our website. So here's your printer. It's turned on, and now you need to lube it. You want to turn it off. Turn it off by pulling the power on the back. Once everything's dark, now you can freely move everything around. If you were in the end of a print job or something else and you had power on, you could break something. You want to take this lubrication, and please use our GorillaLube. This is a super high temperature synthetic lubricant that we use. It's formulated for our printer. A little dab will go a long way. So what we want to do is, on the Y's, rub it on the shaft very lightly. You do not need a big blob of this stuff. Once you get that running across there, you can move it, and you can feel the difference instantly, especially if the rods are a little bit dry. There's 2 rods on the X. If you get it on the belts, make sure you rub it back off. That could cause a malfunction. Make sure you get both sides and just gently push the X back and forth. Now, if you're moving this really fast, you might see that light come on right there. That's just the feedback from the stepper motor. That's not going to hurt anything. After you get that done, you'll notice, I'm going to turn the printer for you. On the side right here, there's our Z rod. This one's a little bit different to do. You're going to take a blob of this, and you're going to push it right in between there, and then put some on the rod. This uses a little bit more lubrication than what it does on the top. And then when you're done, make sure you wipe all the grease off of you as well as you can, because if you get grease on the print bed, your models will not stick properly. So you want to make sure that you clean up very, very good. Put everything back away. Seal it up. Put this back in your toolbox so you don't lose it. Your printer is now ready to go.